Good afternoon, and it's a rainy, drizzly afternoon. Yeah, I was just out there a little while ago to pick up a couple things. Tis rainy, tis drizzly, tis fall like. And it's supposed to be flipping hot come this weekend. It's like, oh god. Yeah, I could only tolerate summer to a point, and that's gonna be like, ugh. Why 3 steps, you're dripping sweat in that kind of heat? Yeah. So the comic strip I was thinking of last night, I was thinking of Foxtrot. Yeah, one of the characters is, I don't know, one of the 3 kids is a fan of Springsteen, and the youngest one is like a kind of like the smart one of the bunch, smart nerdy one. But I always find signing for something else, like trouble, like tormenting his sister with his lizard. Stupid fly. Yeah. And then the sister wanted her older brother to tag along so she could go shopping and check out some outfits. And I think it's the older brother that likes Springsteen. I might be wrong on that one, but. And then there are the parents. The dad's like, "Oh, let's go out to the desert for vacation." No. Well, yeah. So I was thinking of Foxtrot last night. No, that was already halfway in bed. It's like, oh, Foxtrot. Yeah, I didn't want to make another video just for that. I was like, no, just leave it. It's August 22nd. I'm ready for hockey. Anybody else out there ready for hockey? I'm ready for hockey. Prince Albert Raiders have been. I don't know if they showed off the new ice at the Art Hauser, but I think they did. Saskatoon Blades did. Yeah. The Raiders end up showing off a couple of players. Excited to come back. Yeah, I need some hockey. I didn't think the off season would feel this long, but it's felt long. I ended up asking the Raiders on Instagram when the single game tickets went on sale. And one of them, they believe, September 6th. So, cause I want to go to the home opener on the 22nd. If I got smart, I'd get another one. Drag my dad. Say, Dad, let's go. Let's go anyways. You need to get out of the house. You need a little. I don't care if you're 76. You need to get out a little bit. Yeah, so. Yeah, I'm ready for hockey. Yeah, a few of us are long past ready for hockey. It's been a long off season. Yeah, I've had baseball and football give me, but now that the Women's World Cup is over, CFL and the MLB just isn't enough. Itchy chin. Anyways, Jeopardy time. Yesterday's Jeopardy category was books for younger readers for 200. That's books for younger readers for 200. Answer. Emily, Elizabeth, and this large, colorful canine have many adventures in works by Norman Bridwell. And I figured Clifford the Red Dog. Who is Clifford the Big Red Dog? Yeah, well, close enough. Today's Jeopardy category is also books for younger readers for 600. Answer. She wrote the classics Ramona the Pest and Beezus and Ramona. What? What do you guys? I have absolutely no idea. So what do you guys think? Who is it? She wrote the classics Ramona the Pest and Beezus and Ramona. Anyways, so yeah. Let's see. Well, who else can I add? Can't even think of any more cartoons or comic strips. Let's see. Anybody got any more childhood comic strips? I can't seem to think of any anymore. I covered High and Lois. I've covered Hagar the Horrible. I've got Marmaduke. I got Beetle Bailey. Foxtrot. Blondie and Dagwood. Garfield. Heathcliff. Yeah, look up Heathcliff the cat. I'm sure you'll find him. Kathy. There's a comic strip named Kathy. I remember reading that. Oh, what else is it? Okay. I can't think of anything else right now. I'm sure to find some at some point. So yeah. So anyways, if you got more comic strips or favorite books as a youngster, gonna fly. Darn fly. Anyways, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna end this video before something happens. So in the meantime, in a between time, stay tuned for the next one.